What's up everyone? This is JON-SAB Moto on the street, on the road. I'm everywhere in Cebu, and right now I'm in Mindanao. So we'll be heading to Danao with my good friend here. Ahead of me, Romel, colleague. This is the guy who's responsible for this. This is the guy that's responsible for this team outing that we'll be going to. Okay, mine's gonna be busy, or screen's gonna be busy, so just focus for a second. Damn. This place is quite dangerous, huh? Okay, so we'll be having our team outing at Danao, somewhere at the beach, according to Romel. And before we go there, we'll be meeting up some more friends from work at Liluan. So there's the church there, and there's a place that we'll meet up, and from there we'll just go straight to the now, that place that we'll be going to, and we'll have our team outing. Basically we're weight mates, and this is not company sponsored. This is just what we've agreed upon, and that's why we're out today. And today I'm also testing out my new action cam, helmet mounted, new helmet as well, of course. And I'm working on this sync thing. If you're not familiar about that, which I am too, I just got this idea from my co-moto vlogger, Zach Me. He introduced me to this thing, and pretty simple, but I'm not sure if it's easy during the editing stuff. I did my pag thing already, so that's your indicator on how to sync your video and this audio from the phone. So hopefully it works fine, because this is really going to be the first time I'm doing this. Hopefully everything turns out well. Damn, it's really on it. Sanchez Center. Wonder what this place is. Oh, look at that side mirrors. Man. Perfect.